Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use hand gestures on Instagram Reels. So if you want to use the hand gestures on Instagram Reel, to raise a hand to start recording Reels, then to raise a hand to stop recording Reels on Instagram, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to use hand gestures on Instagram Reel, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on the plus icon. Select your Instagram Reel on the navigation. Click on camera. Then once you selected camera, click on this drop menu here. Then go ahead and click on gesture control. Once you click on gesture control, you'll be able to raise your hands to start and stop recording videos. Then to start recording on the reel, just raise your hand like this. Then you should see the countdown begins. And after the countdown, you should see your Instagram Reel video start recording. Now to stop, there's no need for you to click on the stop button or the shutter button. All you just need to do is raise your hands again on the Instagram for the Instagram app to see it. Once the hand gesture sees it as well, then it's going to stop recording the Instagram video. You see that? And it has stopped. So you can use this to start recording video, and then repeat the same thing again to stop recording videos on Instagram. So that's exactly how to use Instagram gesture control or hand gestures. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.